Hello and welcome to this video. Yes, I want to congratulate all of you for getting to this level and still remaining in the course. Of course, it takes the strong hearted, the disciplined, the diligent person to be able to do data analytics up to this level. So, well done and congratulations to you all. So, at this point, I want to introduce you to a very important websites which you encounter as a data analyst or a data professional as you get into this field proper. This website is called Kaggle. So Kaggle is a website that allows people to showcase their skill as data professional. Now this is the homepage of Kaggle. Now, from the homepage, you can see here clearly stated that you should level up with the largest AI and ML community. Join over 17 million plus machine learners to share, stress test, and stay up to date on all the latest ML techniques and technologies. Discover a huge repository of community published models, data, and code for your next project. Now, on this platform, you can have access to numerous number of data sets from different aspects and sectors. You can have access to codes from like starter codes on Python and Jupyter notebooks. You can have access to a lot of projects that millions of people have worked on in the area of AI and ML. ML here stands for machine learning, right? And the next data set to be using for learning take of Google Sheets to be extracted from this platform called Kaggle. So when you scroll down on Kaggle, you see who is on Kaggle. There are learners on Kaggle, there are developers on Kaggle, there are researchers on Kaggle, and you can go on and on. There are 315,000 data sets, 1,000 about above a little bit about above 1,000 notebooks, and 3,000 models. All right, so you can explore so many data sets in different areas of your choice. So as you grow in your data field, you can come over to Kaggle for free, get data sets of your choice, and begin to work on projects. So there are also courses on Kaggle you can take, can earn a signed certified or certificate and learn new technologies in no cost hands-on courses. So you can learn introduction to programming for free, Python for free, introduction to machine learning for free, pandas. And you see they are all amazing courses, just 5 hours to complete, 3 hours to complete, 4 hours to complete, and so on and so forth. Now, having said that, let's come into one more use of Kaggle is for competitions. There are competitions that are usually announced, and join any competition and to test your skill, and there are prizes to be won in most of these competitions, while some competitions are free. So I see, as you can see here, this is 1,000, a little bit above $1 million competition. This is $200,000 competition. This is around $100,000 competition, about 60. So there are different competitions that one can join and then get be part of the competition. And if you are, lucky enough, you can win the prize. Then we have a knowledge-based competition for just for knowledge-based. There is no money attached to this competition. And join any of these competitions that is announced on Kaggle. All right, and outside the competitions, let's go back to the homepage. We have data sets. So this is the section where you can find any data set of your choice, all data sets in computer science, data sets in education, data sets in classification problem, data sets in computer vision, data sets in NLP, that is natural language processing, data sets under data visualization, pre-trained model. You can find any data set of your choice all through from these whole categories, different categories or data sets. Let's say we are interested in data set for data visualization. When you click on data visualization, it gives you the subset. So there are about 5,000 data sets on data visualization. We have on online food data sets, student study performance, obesity levels, employees salaries analysis, the time, the internet, electric vehicle population by country, and so on and so forth, right? Okay, so let's get to the data sets we want to work with. I have not checked the category. I just know that it's under the data sets, group. So I'll come over again to the data sets section so I can search for it. I think the data set of interest is called video games sales. So I want us to work on data set that is on game sales. When you come here and you find the data sets on video game, not video games, but video game sales, I think here is the data set of interest. I'll open this, and then when I come over to the data sets, video game sales, I have, all right, so here is the data dictionary under data card. This is about the data set. So this data set contains a list of video games with sales greater than 100,000 copies. It was generated by a script from a script of vgchatz.com, and here are the fields or columns that are contained in the data set. We have a column called rank, and rank means the ranking of overall sales. We have the column called name, and whenever you see name, it simply means the game's name. When you see the column called platform on the dataset, it means the platform of the games released, that is PC, PS4, and so on and so forth. Then the column called name stores the year of the game's release, and the genre column stores the genre of the game. Let's view more columns. The column called publisher stores the publisher of the game, and we have NA underscore sales. This stores the sales in North America in millions. Then UE underscore sales stores the sales in Europe in millions. JP underscore sales stores the sales in Japan in millions. Other sales stores the sales in the rest of the world in millions. Then global sales stores the total worldwide sales. Now the script of this data set was scraped from a website, and you can find the script of the scraping tool from this GitHub repository. According to the data set on Kaggle, it says it is based on Beautiful Soup using Python. So it means the person who scraped this data set used this package called Beautiful Soup. Beautiful Soup is one very nice package that one can use to scrape data set from websites using in Python programming language. I've used it for some projects uh, not so long ago. So there are about 16,598 records, and two records were dropped due to incomplete information. So this is just an additional information for you. Now that you've seen the data dictionary and you okay, I suppose you're conversant to the data set. The next step is to get back to the classroom, as the data set will be attached to the other parts of the modules where we would use the data set to learn about visualization in Google Sheets. All right, so I'd like you to take some time to explore this platform, Kaggle. You can also create an account. So I can just go ahead and register. I register with Google, and once you click on register with Google, it gives you the option to choose your email, the existing email you want to use to create the account. Click on continue, and once you do that, you can go ahead and click on next. Email me Google News and tips. No, I don't want that for now because I'm registered with this already. Sometime the username is already taken. All right, I said that because I have an account with Cargo. So let's use, I would call this verified. I think we also have an account with verified. Let me try this to see if it's taken or not. Let's check this. Have I gotten any feedback? I think the account's also taken. Verified.academy. Let me try verified.academy, and then I click on next. That's my display name. All right, great. That name is available. So you click on agree, I agree, and you wait for a while for this account to be created. Awesome. Right now you have the account being created for you, and that is it. So you now have an account with Cargo. You can come over here anytime, download data sets or download codes or so, anything you want to download. If you want to download data sets, you can just go ahead and click on download to download it, but I'm not asking you to download it because the data set to be attached for you in the classroom. All right, so thank you for watching this video. This is just me introducing Kaggle website and letting you know what it's all about. So you come over to this website and explore, get any data set of your choice to do any interesting analytics with. All right, see you again in the next video. Goodbye.